Hello and welcome back to The Road to Good Cooking. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Now, if you're interested in learning how I made my brown gravy, my homemade brown gravy and super Crunchilicious chicken, stick around and I'll show you exactly how I put it all together. I've started off with 1.5 tablespoons of butter and 1.5 tablespoons of flour because I don't want to make that much gravy. I only have a couple pieces of chicken for tonight. And I'm going to cook cook everything down until you get rid of that flour taste. And then I'm going to be adding my homemade chicken broth. Now, normally when I make chicken broth, you see the oil at the top. I normally drain that fat off, but for this application, I'm going to leave the fat in because that's just going to impart a lot more flavor to my gravy for my chicken. And then just whisk everything together until it's well incorporated, and I'm going to cook it until it becomes slightly thickened, and then I'm going to remove it from the heat and cover it up with a lid until I'm ready to use it. And it looks like I used about half of it. Now I'm going to cook it down, and if I need to add more liquid, I will. I'm going to give it a little taste to see where my flavor profile is, and I think it is just about perfect, as always. Here's where the fun comes in, making the chicken batter. I started off with 1 cup of flour, and to that cup of flour, I'm going to add every seasoning that I can get my hands on from my seasoning pantry. But you can add, whatever your personal flavor is. Just, spice it up how you like it. But just make it very, very tasty. Now, you notice that I'm not adding a whole bunch of salt other than what's in the celery salt and the other seasonings because I don't want it to be over salted. I want it to be flavorful, but not super salty. I just don't do a whole lot of salt. And from here, after I get everything all mixed together, I'm going to whisk it together, and you'll see the liquid that I'm going to use. I normally use a club soda or water, but for this application, I'm using some of my leftover homemade chicken broth, and it is going to add yet another layer of wonderful flavor to this batter. I'm adding my chicken broth, and I'm going to whisk it until it gets nice and smooth and all the lumps are gone. And you want it the consistency of about, let me see here, maybe about like a pancake mix. Like if you're making pancakes, that consistency, just like that. I'm going to add my chicken to the batter, and I'm going to make sure that all the pieces are completely coated with the chicken batter. Just get in there and get after it. Make sure everything is coated with that batter. I'm temping my oil, and I want it to get to about 300 degrees. Now, because these chicken legs are so big, I want to make sure that they get completely cooked, so I'm going to cook them slower and longer. So I'm probably going to cook them between 18 and 20 minutes. I'm adding my chicken to the oil, and for this, I'm using canola oil, I think. Yeah, I'm using canola oil. And I have 5 chicken legs. I'm only going to fry up 4 of them because I don't want to overcrowd my fryer, and I don't want to bring my oil temperature down. And I just want to cook them nice and slow and even. I'm going to put my timer on for about 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, I'm going to, flip them over and continue to turn them so they'll get evenly cooked all the way around. And here's my chicken. I can't wait till they get done. All I can say is OMG, oh Lord. Lord bless the chicken. Boy, I just tasted some of that crust, and it is just crunch for days. And it is fried to perfection. And here's my dinner for tonight. I have 4 Crunchilicious chicken legs with a bowl full of my brown gravy. I call that my brown gold. I steamed up some broccoli and some green beans, and you already know what time it is. You already know. Now, come on, let's go in my office and join me at my desk, and let's have some dinner. Here you go. It's good. Trust me, it's good. I made it myself. You want gravy on yours? Okay, if I drip gravy all over my desk, who's going to clean it up? Here, Here's some gravy. Hang on, I'll break you off a piece. Ow, hot. Ooh, ouch, ouch, ouch. There you go. Will you hear that crunch? It's another thing I don't buy out because my chicken's too good. Oh, look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. I know, that was so mean teasing you guys like that. Shame on Miss J. But that chicken was a bomb.com, I'm telling you. And anyway, I'd like to thank you all for stopping by. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I did post on my community post that I will be out of pocket for the next couple of months. I'm getting ready for a knee replacement surgery the end of August, and I'm doing all of my pre-op stuff now, so it's keeping me real busy doing all that and exercising and physical therapy because I have to strengthen the muscles in my leg before the surgery. So I appreciate all your thoughts and prayers and support, and thank you for hanging in there with me. I promise when I get done with all this, I will be back with a vengeance, teasing you with yet more great recipes. And I really do appreciate all the love and support. You guys just don't know what that means to me. And like I said, I'm going to keep on doing what I have to do to get myself prepared for this surgery. And I am posting a weekly vlog on Chat and Chew with Miss J. That's my mukbang channel. And I'll make sure that I post the link in the comment section and in the description box. So you can always go over to that channel and get my weekly updates as far as my surgery and what I'm up to. So I'd appreciate it if you guys head over there from time to time just to keep up with me so you can see what I'm doing. And like I said, I appreciate you all. Thanks so much. Have a fabulous 4th of July with your family. Be safe, be blessed, and keep on cooking with your family and your friends. Love you all.